Hi, this is Joel from Woolich Racing Technical Support. In this video, we're going to talk about how to wire up the power supply for your bench harness. The next step is to crimp these terminals on the wires. This is important to ensure a correct power supply. Once these are crimped, we then connect the power and turn the power supply on. We then turn on the multimeter to DC volts. Each multimeter will read different. I'll just check the wires here for the correct polarity. I can see a negative here indicating the polarity is reversed and this is incorrect. Check this again now. Now see the multimeter, I've got 11.86 volts. This is close enough as this is a 12 volt power supply. So now I know that this black wire with a white trace will then go to the red power wire on the bench harness. And what we do to ensure that we get the correct pin out is these pins orientate like this inside the plug. We'll slowly connect the plug, push it all the way in so it clicks. Same as this pin, push it all the way until it clicks, and now we can connect our power supply.